Hi, this is a short video to show you a very nice feature in Microsoft Teams. There is a help button in the lower left-hand corner, and when you click on that, you get a little menu that shows training and topics, and these have a lot of resources that can help anyone who's trying to learn about Teams. So if you click on topics, you get all this tons of teen training, the education training, the quick guide. You see all the general Teams help, create different aspects of features in Teams, remote learning, the EDU help. So lots of different ways to find things, and that's a great feature. If you click on the training button here, then you get, again, the education quick guide and a lot of links to different training videos. And then one of the best features is down here is you have all these short videos of how to do all these different, use these different tools and features. And so very good resource. Again, where you found that is just in Teams, and then at the bottom under help, and you see the training and topics, and once you're in, you see them up above. So hopefully this will help you get the kind of answers to questions you have and when you're trying to learn how to do something in Teams. Thank you for listening.